Hello, we are Kelapa Muda. My name is Krishna.
My name is Dava.
And my name is Ivana. Enjoy!
Over 38.7 million Indonesians work as farmers. This means 29.59% of workforce in Indonesia depend on their life in this sector. The agricultural sector has a very important role in the national economy. This is because the agricultural sector is the main source of national food security and also become a source of income for many people. However, farming is a profession that is full of challenges and threats. One of the biggest threats is crop failure. 63 hectares of the rice fields in Tegal, Central Java, had to experience crop failure due to the plant hover attacks. The same thing was experienced by farmers in East Sumba who experienced crop failure, covering an area of 200 hectares of rice fields as a result of the locust attack. Meanwhile, farmers in Kediri, East Java had to lose more than 1.2 tons of shallots due to the armyworm attack. Climate change and plant diseases are the main causes of crop failure in Indonesia. This is because climate change can cause droughts, decrease groundwater, and floods, which can increase the risk of crop failure. Moreover, climate change can also trigger the emergence of pest and plant diseases. This confirms that climate change is currently having many adverse impacts on agriculture. We have to accept that fact that we can't control climate change, but we can control how we deal with it. Therefore, an effective step that can be taken is to strengthen the ability of farmers to adapt to climate change. For this reason, the government, through agricultural extension programs, seek to increase the knowledge, abilities, and motivation of farmers towards farming activities. However, the implementation of this program has not been perfect. There are still many areas that have not been reached, and the limited number of feed seeds that can be made, making the problems they are trying to overcome cannot be completely resolved. Therefore, we designed a solution called Tanify, a mobile application developed to help farmers in Indonesia in realizing better agriculture by focusing on improving the knowledge and skill of farmers.
A design thinking methodology. There are 5 phases in design thinking, involve empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. First, empathize. We conducted primary research by interviewing farmers about their difficulties. Then to strengthen the validation of the problem, we conducted secondary research by looking for articles and journals related to their problems. According to our research results, the intended target user are farmers aged 25 to 44 years old who live in rural Java and Bali. Second, define. Using empathy map, we can define a persona as a representation of the user who will use our product. After that, we define the problem statement. A point of view is a meaningful and actionable problem statement which will allow us to ideate in a goal-oriented manner. A farmer needs an effective way to check the condition of plant regularly because he often experiences crop failure caused by plant disease and pests. Using the point of view, we generate the problem by asking a specific question starting with how might we? How might we deal with plant pests and disease? How might we understand the condition of plant? How might we ideate? We did a brainstorming session to view the problem and identify innovative solutions to the existing design challenge. Fourth, prototype. Based on the result of past phases, we create a user flow, then make a wireframe. We do this step many times until the wireframe is good enough to visualize the solution. After that, we jump onto the next step, mockup. Last, test. To validate our solution, we use the usability testing method by giving them tasks and scenarios. From this, we found out that the great product solution is not only an answer to their problem, but also easily used and has authentical value. Let's take a look about Tanify.
There are several main features in the Tanify application. Farmers can create an account first, or if you already have an account, you can directly enter the application. The first is forum. Farmers can carry out various kinds of discussions with other farmers. Farmers can also share experience and comment through other people's stories. In the forum, we can also ask experts about the condition of our plants. Ask an expert is a paid feature that connects farmers with experts in a particular field. There is a series of registration flows, starting from selecting the field to be consulted by the farmer, followed by writing down the complaints experienced by farmers about the real conditions of farmers. And the second stage, farmers can choose the promotional package that we have provided with various benefits. In the third stage, farmers can choose experts who match the farmer's crop criteria and can set the schedule according to what they want. And last, the payment method has various types of options. After that, we wait for confirmation of payment we have chosen. After the payment is successful, the farmer can immediately consult with experts according to the package that has been taken. With this feature, the farmer forum can easily interact directly with other farmers and also experts who can help add insight and solution to every problem experienced by farmers. In addition to forum and expert feeders, Tanify also provides a plant library consisting of various types of plants. It also contains information such as description, treatments, and disease of these plants that can provide knowledge to farmers about the plants being planted. With this feature, it is hoped that farmers can pay attention to the criteria or preparations made before planting a plant, so that later the expected results are following the objectives. Our main feature is AI scanning. AI scanning can read plant disease using a cell phone camera. After scanning, some results may occur in the plant. The results also explain solutions and prevention that can be done by farmers. Not only that, Tanify also provides recommendations for fertilizers or other farming tools that can support farmers' activities. Tanify also provides marketplace recommendations that sell these needs. With the automatic AI scanning system on the Tanify application, it is hoped that farmers can always use it so that the treatment given to these plants can be quickly resolved and can be cured before it is too late. With existing references, farmers can better understand what to do. In the calendar feature, farmers can create reminders in the form of recording activities. This recording automatically connects the calendar and clock on the farmer's cell phone. Farmers can also label the activity whether it has been completed or is still in the process of being worked on. With this feature, farmers are expected to be able to record the rate of plant growth and development so that later the farmers can find out a certain schedule for caring for their plants regularly and structured. And last, Tanify provides a profile. Tanify is also equipped with an archive feature where we can save the results of scanning, discussions, or libraries on one page. Tanify, solutions for farmers.